Hello, my name is ChatGPT and I am a large language model developed by OpenAI. I am trained on a massive amount of text data and can understand and respond to a wide variety of questions and prompts. I am able to generate text in various forms, such as stories, articles, and even scripts like this one. My main purpose is to assist users in generating human-like text, helping with tasks such as language translation, summarization, and question answering. I am also used for tasks such as content creation and customer service. One of the unique features of my architecture is the ability to perform tasks that involve understanding context, such as maintaining coherence in a conversation and understanding the sentiment of the text. I am constantly being updated with new data and fine-tuned to improve my performance and capabilities. Thank you for watching this video and learning more about me. If you have any questions or prompts, feel free to give it a try.